Walter Chidhakwa readmitted into ZANU-PF after 7 years in political wilderness. The 18th of August 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU-PF has officially readmitted former Mines Minister Walter Chidhakwa, a nephew of the late President Robert Mugabe, marking a significant comeback for one of the Generation 40, G40, faction's former key figures. The announcement was made by ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Provincial Chairperson, Mary M. Liswichikoka, during a Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, meeting held in Chinhoyi on Saturday. Chidhakwa was expelled from the ruling party in 2017 at the height of the military coup that ousted Mugabe and propelled Emerson Mnangagwa to power. He was closely linked to the G40 faction, which included Jonathan Moyo, Xavier Kasukuwer, Patrick Juo, and former First Lady Grace Mugabe. The group sought to block Mnangagwa's rise to the presidency, promoting instead a younger leadership under Mugabe's protection. The rivalry between G40 and the Mnangagwa-lined Lacoste faction culminated in the November 2017 military intervention. Codenamed Operation Restore Legacy, the intervention forced Mugabe to resign after nearly 4 decades in power, with many G40 heavyweights fleeing into exile or being expelled from the party. Chidhakwa, though less prominent than others in the faction, was swept away in the purge and has remained outside active politics since then. After years in the political wilderness, Chidhakwa appealed for readmission. M. Liswichikoka told party members that headquarters had confirmed his return, calling for endorsements from the provincial leadership. Saniati District Coordinating Committee Chairperson Langton Mabhanga welcomed the decision. "I second the readmission of Walter Chidhakwa into the party and see no reason to object. Our president has emphasized unity and second chances, and we will gladly welcome him back." The resolution is expected to be forwarded to ZANU-PF's national headquarters for final approval. Also at the meeting, the province welcomed its new administrator, Albert M.H. Langa, who replaces long-serving official Fanny Chikamba following her retirement. M. Liswichikoka further stressed the importance of strengthening the party's presence in urban areas through membership mobilization and cell verification exercises. Preparations for the 2025 ZANU-PF National People's Conference, to be hosted in Mutare, were reviewed. The province has so far secured 6 cattle and is mobilizing resources to raise $50,000 towards the event.